Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, it's an honor for me to be here today. Today, I would like to present my research with title Identity Negotiation in the Digital Space, a virtual ethnography study of Indonesian influencer in Japan of the TikTok account at Megan Kenichiro underscore official and Rapa 18. The author of this research is I am Nastiti Dia Lestari and Dr. Filosa Gita Sukmono, SICOM MA, from Department of Communication Study, Faculty Social and Political Science, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, Indonesia. The research background of this research is the fast growth of information and communication technology in recent decades has fundamentally disrupted patterns of communication within a society. Making the era of digital disruption, social media also serve as a new space for interaction that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. This is confirms the transformation of key public space for cultural exchange in expanding the reach of cultural dissemination. Ease of mobility encouraged the formation of diaspora Indonesia community. Social media has become a main stage for displaying and negotiating identity. TikTok is the most downloaded apps of with a total a million downloads has become a space for self-expression creating hyperreal world. Digital identity has become important arena of individual, especially diaspora or transnational community. Their identity among different cultures, language, and social norms. Identity become hybrid, fluid, and continuously construct through a virtual interaction that national border. Within the digital diaspora ecosystem, new figures with significant influence have emerged as a diaspora influencers. Influencers diaspora in this research is Megan Kenichiro and Rapa, are known for their involvement in combining two cultural lifestyle between Indonesia and Japan. This is provides important arena for observing the process of identity negotiation. Previous study, Indonesian adapt Japanese culture in virtual world of Japanese directly in Japan. It also highlight Indonesian influencer who construct their identity on Instagram. And the research question is how do influencer Indonesia negotiation their identity in Japan through their TikTok account using a virtual ethnography approach. The objective of this research is describing the form of identity negotiation displayed by Indonesian influencers in Japan through a TikTok accounts Megan Kenichiro and Rapa. Theoretical framework of this research is digital identity by Nasrullah, digital influencers by Solis and Anjana Irwansyah, and then virtual ethnography by Christian Hein and Nasrullah. Research method is a qualitative and descriptive approach with a constructive paradigm that focuses on understanding the various reality constructed by individual and impact of this construction on their life with others. With the research object is a TikTok account Indonesian influencers diaspora, and data collection is non-participant observation and documentation of TikTok account. Data analysis technique by Ruli Nasrullah have a four-level virtual ethnography. First is media space, media archive, media object, and the last is experiential stories. Research results, according to Nasrullah, have a four level of analysis. The first is media space. TikTok display Japan feels Indonesia, showing constructing yet complementary symbolic division of space. Utilize domestic space, and then in the context media space acts as showcase for Japan with Indonesian taste, allowing audience to consume Japan's visual but distantly Indonesian cultural. Related study of this research result is TikTok has the power to convey emotional and directed message. This platform uses shortened videos, audio, and distinct visual. The second level is media archive, self-identity, and cultural hybrid. This document confirms that they adopt Japanese discipline, but in empirical evidence of how the subjects resistant total assimilation, cons and the choose is part of the acculturation of the cultural Indonesian in Japan. The third is media object level, interaction and identity validation of diaspora, analysis of the audience comment section, interaction shows host the meaning of co-constructed by creator and their followers. There is pattern of diaspora identity validation, interaction share identity, Indonesian who are able to survive in abroad. And the last level is experiential story, motives and meaning behind the content of the TikTok account. Normalizing culture different with the household, and the analysis reveal that humor and narrative of struggle are used coping mechanism facing the challenge of minority in Japan. The conclusion of this research is based on the analysis of four-level cyber media, it can be concluded that TikTok construct hybrid identity with the transcendence geographical boundaries. The scientific truth offered by the research is the test of ethnography shows engagement with cultural value shared identity, indicating the emergence of digital third space for intercultural exchange. Thank you to all parties who have support in this research. Billahi fisabilil haq fastabikul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.